Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Then tap the messages icon to access your chat list. Select a chat by tapping on it. Then swipe up within the chat to enable Vanish mode. To turn it off, just swipe up again in the same chat. Just for iPhone users, just open the Instagram and tap the messages. Select the chat by tapping on it, then swipe up to activate it, then swipe up again to exit it. Once you complete these steps, Vanish mode will be turned off and your messages will no longer disappear after being viewed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials, and I will see you on the next one.